What is up, guys? October is here. It is October 4th as I'm making this video. We are seeing a little pump in crypto, but I need to give you some updates because we're not out of the woods yet. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, but mainly we're going to get into Jasmy because Jasmy is doing something right now that everyone needs to see. All I ask, guys, that you drop a like. Of course, you subscribe to the channel, and I hope you're enjoying your coffee and having a great morning so far. So let's first look at Bitcoin. This is a daily chart. I'm looking at the Bitstamp chart, basically, same thing as Coinbase and Binance. But you can see we've had a little rally this morning, and now we're testing the 21 EMA. Okay. You can see prior to this, when this happened before, when we broke the 21 EMA, this big red candle, we tested it right here, and then we sold off for the next week. Okay. Right here, we broke the 21 EMA. We had a big candle. We tested it. So the question is, are we about to sell off, or are we about to close above this for Bitcoin? Okay. These are some things you need to be watching very closely, especially today and tomorrow, of course, the weekend, and then the weekly candle closes on Sunday. But you can even see more examples over here, guys, as we couldn't break the 21 EMA. We kept testing it for day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sold off, and then we finally broke through. So right now, Bitcoin is just trying to figure out what it wants to do. We wicked up today, and right now we're trading at 69, so 60,900, right under 61,000. But the good thing is we're at a very low point on the stochastic, so we can curl like we have here before. You can see we tested this, and then we broke through several days later. So this weekend could definitely get a break of the 21 EMA, and we could see a pump. Or we could see a rejection and come much lower. So this is some things that we're watching right now. The RSI is at 46 on a daily time frame, so it's not oversold, it's not overbought, it's right in the middle. But you could see we're making higher lows on the RSI, and we're making higher lows on the asset on Bitcoin, which is a good sign. We also have a lot of wicks right here at the bottom, so we could be bottoming right here. We really want to close above the 21 EMA though, and have that confirmation. You could see we closed here, and then we had the back test, and then Bitcoin rallied. So if you're on the sidelines right now, I would wait probably until we close above it, and then back test, and then rally. Okay. But if you're in it, then stay in it. I don't think the top is in. I think we'll see new all-time highs in 2024. Of course, this is just my own opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Now, looking at Jasmy, so where are we at right now? So this is a weekly time frame, okay? And you can see we're still holding this trend line right here that we've been talking about. We have a ton of support at $1.50. Big red candle, kind of concerning, but that's okay because if we can close this week above this trend line and we can get a green candle next week, then this would look very good to move much higher. You can see the RSI right now is at 46 on a weekly time frame. Let's pull up the daily real quick. Okay, so the daily, you can see we're starting to cross on the stochastic, very low. The RSI is also curling up, which is a great sign. Trading at 42, right in the middle. And the funny thing is this right here, guys. We have not closed below it, okay? This trend line is really acting like some crazy support. Let me show you the 4-hour because this will blow your mind. All right, 4. So look at this, guys. We've just been wicking right below it. This is kind of bullish in a way, but we're still below the 21 EMA. So it's like, what is Jasmy going to do? Is it going to close below this and become very bearish? Or are we going to get above the 21 EMA like we have before right here and go on the uptrend again? Okay. If you go prior, you could see below the 21 EMA, testing it, not really breaking it. Then we broke it. And then we started the uptrend again. So right now, Jasmy is in the middle. Today will tell a lot whether we're going to close above it today, we're going to close in the middle, or close below it. If we close a daily candle below this white line, then I wouldn't be too excited for Jasmy right now in the short term. And I made a worst case scenario video yesterday. Hopefully you guys saw it. Basically, it was just based off Elliott wave and what I think could potentially happen. So let me know down below your thoughts on Jasmy and what is your plan with this. Now we have a lot of other stocks in crypto that we talk about. Obviously, Ethereum, I've been updating Patreon members, Dogecoin as well. And by the way, guys, we have this thing. Well, I actually just launched this pretty recently. It's a new thing. It's buymeacoffee.com, and you can become a member of this if you want to Zoom. Right now, you can become a shark. We have 2 members here, and then a whale. We have 3 members here. The shark group is Zoom webinars twice a month, at least 45 minutes. And we're going to be going over requests that you have for stocks in crypto. So if you want me to look the chart with a stock in crypto, we're going to be talking about that. It's going to be a group setting. So you just got to jump on and you start learning. I'm going to teach you about the RSI, stochastic, Fibonacci, everything I talk about on YouTube. And then the whale community is one-on-one. So we're going to do 2 Zooms, one-on-one, at least 45 minutes each time. And it's just me answering questions for you, showing you the charts, really helping you understand when to buy and when to sell, and my strategies with stocks and crypto. So if you've been thinking about joining, go ahead, click the links out down below. Would love to have you, would love to connect and really see how we can game plan and really help you win over the next 6 to 12 months. Now, the shark group is $37 a month and the whale group is $70 a month. If that is too much for you, you could join the Patreon. The links are down below. I'm still offering the 12% off if you pay for the whole year, or you can lock in for the month for $9.99 per month and join the Discord, and become a part of our community. So check it out if you've been interested. Would love to have you. Now, Ethereum looks also interesting as we end today's video. Ethereum, you can see I made these touch points, and the RSI also making higher lows, right? And the asset making higher lows. So this is really interesting. Right now, though, we don't have any signals that saying, okay, it's time to get super bullish, because again, we're under the 21 EMA on a daily time frame. So it's kind of crazy, guys. For everything, Bitcoin under the 21 EMA, Ethereum under the 21 EMA, Jasmy under the 21 EMA on a 4-hour and on a daily, I believe. Let me check real quick. So yeah, on a daily, like this is all bearish still. We have not had a breakout. See, when Jasmy breaks above the 21 EMA, that's a positive sign. That's not a confirmation like we're about to go up. But right now, guys, it's a waiting game. We have to stay above this and we have to build some momentum. Hopefully that makes sense. And then if we look at Dogecoin, also under the 21 EMA. So right now, I do have cash on the side. I'm ready to deploy that cash. I actually did deploy some yesterday into some altcoins. I posted it on my X. So make sure you follow me on Twitter at BusinessDad with 3 S's. I'll probably follow you back. Just comment on my stuff and I'll check out your page. And if you provide value, I'll give you a follow back. But I throw out a bunch of charts, stocks, crypto. So make sure you follow me on there. But this, guys, we're under the 21 EMA for everything. So you let me know what your thoughts are on this. But you could see every time we're under the 21 EMA, we have some more time. It's not really ready yet. It's not ready today, I would say. And even with Bitcoin, right now, it looks like we could be bottoming the last 3 days. We have these wicks and these little candles. You can kind of call these doji candles in a way, which could be a reversal. See what happened here? These 2 doji candles. What happened? Bitcoin reverse. Well, we got some doji candles right here, so Bitcoin can reverse up. Right? And we could get back up here. To start the uptrend, though, guys, we really want to make another higher high. So see this, 64,000. See this, 66,000. If we can make a higher high, then that would be a good sign that Bitcoin is ready to start the uptrend. Now, I still think Bitcoin will reach new all-time highs in 2024, but this is just where we're at right now. So if you got any value, guys, I would appreciate a like on the video. Share this with other people so we can push this out, and I hope you have a great day.